How to make a folder for your iPhone app. Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a folder on your iPhone to organize your apps and keep your home screen neat. This will help you group similar apps together, making it easier to access what you need without cluttering your screen. First, unlock your iPhone and go to the home screen where your apps are located. Now tap and hold on one of the apps you want to add to the folder until the icons start wiggling. Drag that app on top of another app you want to group it with. For example, I want to group this one with notes, and then a folder will automatically appear and the apps will be placed inside it. You can also rename a folder by tapping the folder name at the top and typing a new one. You can also add more apps by dragging them into the folder. To finish, tap done or click anywhere on the screen. And that's it. Your apps are now organized into a folder. Try it out and let me know if it worked for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!